Because it's raining. Poka, stop. It's drizzling. Let me wear these gumboots.
The small ones?
No, the big ones. Ah, Pocus, you stop. Why are you biting my fingers? Go back to the house. Kate, give me the umbrella. Kuna drizzle. It's drizzling. Get in. I'm waiting for the umbrella, guys. See, it rained, but guys, the estate is good from our side here, as you can see. But I'm sure down here there is some floods. There are some flooding waters. Like this drainage here, you can see the water is not moving. Here also, you know, some people just wash their compounds and release the water outside. So when it rains and there are more water out, it becomes you see. guys, I've just bought myself a packet of milk. Preparing tea for my babies. Because me, I do herbal tea. I'm doing herbal tea to help in my weight reduction, my tummy. I don't know if it's going to work alongside workouts, guys. Let's see how it takes me. There are no scissors. So guys, I'm here again. It's still raining in the outside. It's still raining. I want to warm, it's lunchtime. I want to warm food for my babies. It's the leftovers for last night. And I also want to prepare some hot porridge here. But I will also blend it with some bananas. I blend it with some bananas so that they can to taste, to give it a taste. Ripe bananas so that they can be able to drink. Here I don't use sugar, so I try to sweeten with anything that can make it sweet. And guys, I lost a clip of in the morning. I had a clip when I came to prepare tea breakfast. I was preparing tea, but unfortunately the milk that was brought yesterday, we stored it in the fridge, and I don't know if where the problem came in, the milk spoiled. So I had to go to the shop and bring a packet of milk for my baby's tea. Yeah, enjoy the vlog, guys. If you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe. And another thing, guys, please do not skip the ads. Watch to the end. Do not skip the ad so that you can support me to do more videos. Yeah. That way you will have supported me to do more and more videos. And thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing, being a member. You can also be a full member by buying membership. It's 200 minimum. Kenyan shilling. $2. Or 1 point something. I'm not sure. Yeah, so guys, let's warm this rice. This is the last night's food. It was rice mixed with some cereals. So the rice. This is a very rainy day. The day is it's still raining outside, but still we can find something to do indoors. Yeah. Thank you for your support, guys. Finally, we are here monetized and enjoying the work of our hands. I didn't know that rice is that much. This dish is big. It carried a lot of rice. Our oat porridge is still boiling. Still boiling the oats porridge. I just want them to cook for 5 minutes and then I can blend them with some milk and bananas. Meanwhile, let's warm the food before they start feeling hungry. Use a little water so that the rice can warm from inside. I could have used this one, this big pan, but it's okay. Just warm with this small. Guys, my oats are ready. Let me keep them to cool down. just warming. Just warming the food, and I also have my bananas here. I have my bananas there. I want to put them here so that I can blend. I don't know if I use all of them or I remain. Some. These are ripe bananas, and I will also use this milk. I had put it inside here so that it could cool. I just warmed it. I boiled it right now, so I wanted it cool, the milk. This is 1.5 cups of milk. I will put it here. It's already cool. And then my oats, but I also want them to be cool. Now I want to do a hot porridge. I want it to be a little cold. I want it to be warm. So I will also put this one on the cold water dish so that it can cool down. Yeah, so we come here and see if our if the rice is warm enough. The food is warm. You don't want it to be hot. So now let's blend our oats, our oat porridge. Let's prepare our oat porridge. It's still raining outside, guys. are also ready. They are warm. They are cold, yani, not very hot again. So I will put them here in my blender, and then I blend them together with the milk and bananas. Remember, no added sugar. We will just do that's all. That is how my hot porridge looks like. That's my hot porridge. Milk. Let me pour it here, we see. And that is that's milk, oats, and milk, oats, and milk, bananas. That is how the presentation looks. Rice with some mbaazi plus the milk oats in a wrong cup. The cup says it's coffee time, but no, it's porridge oats time. Yeah, that's the presentation. That's how the food is served.